Let's take a look at how to use performance management for organizational success. Most employees have a general idea of what performance culture means, but lack the specific means that few organizations ever achieve that culture or levels of performance are desired. It's important to start out with a good understanding of what performance is and the levels in which it occurs before considering how to manage it. Performance occurs at three levels: individual, group, and organizational. Performance at the individual level is a function of ability, effort, and context. The individual must have the ability required to make the effort to do a task or a job well. Today, most workers are increasingly interdependent, and group performance is often more than the performance of individuals in the group. Organizations' performance criteria may be found in the mission statement, statements of organizational strategy, culture definitions, and a business plan, or other statements of long and short-range organizational purpose. Performance management is the system used by organizations to tie individual, group, and organizational performance together. It consists of three stages: performance planning, performance period, during which observation and positive and corrective feedback takes place, and periodic summary appraisals, which start the planning process for the next period. Performance planning should be constructed in such a way that any manager can do it, regardless of management style or skills. The best managers involve the employee collaboratively in all phases of the process. Positive feedback is one of the most powerful reinforcements available to a manager. It should occur immediately after high performance is observed. When performance is below standard or below the goals set by the direct report, corrective feedback is used, again, relying on the standard and the goal set as benchmarks for the observed performance. When discussion about performance is couched in terms of known measures, standards, and goals performance, feedback can be objective and it's less likely to be seen as criticism of character. At some point, a summary of performance during the period is provided to the direct report. In most organizations, this is an annual event, but some organizations have quarterly or semi-annual summaries. Consequences of achieving various performance levels are communicated, and planning for the next period's performance begins. If performance management has been done correctly, the summary appraisal should have no surprises for the direct report. Getting from organizational performance to individual performance isn't always easy, but performance management systems are the way that it can be done. Performance data are critical to the organization if it wishes to achieve its strategy. The performance management system links individuals to the goals of the organization and is critical to development of human capital of employees.